Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create time limit cleaning for iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. To do this, first we'll need to click on the plus button in the favorites in iRobot app. Then inside we need to set up the name for that time limit schedule, action. And let's just call it with random letters. Then we can pick a color to customize it. And here's the time limit. Then click on that time. If you click on that time limit, you can choose the time limit and pick between none. That means it will basically clean until you tell it to stop, or set it to 15, 30 or 45 minutes. We're gonna go with 30 minutes, create favorite. And now you can click on that label to begin cleaning for a specific time that we've picked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.